Hi guys, it's me again, Thomas Renee, the head of voice and speech at the American Academy of Dramatic Arts. I want to continue our conversation on T within a general American accent, if that's what we want to call it. The T that I specifically want to look at within this video is a medial T, which means it's within a word, it's in the middle of the word, and specifically a T between two vowels. And specifically a T between two vowels in an unstressed syllable. That's a lot of information, so I'm going to break that down a couple times throughout the video. But let's talk about what it is, what the actual realization of the speech action is, get good at that, and then we'll apply it to some words. So for those of us who work with the International Phonetic Alphabet, we're talking about and looking at a voiced alveolar tap. For those of us who have no idea what that is, great, toss that aside and let's look at it practically. So what we're going to do for the sound is we're going to take the tip and or blade of the tongue, and that is going to come up to the alveolar ridge or the wrinkly gum ridge behind the top teeth here. And how this is going to do this thing is it's going to start away from the gum ridge, and then it's going to quickly hit it and back away. We're going to tap it, tap the gum ridge. We're also going to add voice to this. So it could sound something like ara, 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 ara. So now that we've identified what this sound is, let's take it into some words to see when it's happening and how we can know it's happening. So let me just share my screen. And I'm going to start with this word, which is really a cautionary tale for us, because if you notice, we have two T's in this word. And both T's are between two vowels. However, when I say this word in this general American accent, potato, you may notice that I pronounce the two T's very differently. Potato, potato. Why this is happening is because this particular T is the start of what we call a stressed syllable. And this T is the start of an unstressed syllable. I'll make another video specifically on stress, but just to quickly feel that out, if I was playing the drums of the rhythm of this word, I would put a little extra emphasis, a little extra push onto the middle te, potato, potato. And you might be able to hear that extra punch in that middle syllable and then a back off in the last syllable for do. So which one are we looking at? Well, this T is between two vowels, but in a stressed syllable. And this T is in between two vowels in an unstressed syllable. And that's the one that we're talking about. That's where we're going to get that tap, that quick tapping against the gum ridge behind your teeth. Potato, oh. So let's try it in a couple more words where all of these are going to be in unstressed syllables. So we're not going to have any tricky bits here. We have better, matter, tomato, party, flautist. And the last bit of practice is let's take this particular sound and place it between two vowels. But we're going to go through all of the general American vowels so that you can get practice really feeling it after every vowel and before every vowel. And we just get some practice with the vowels too. So just repeat after me and let's do this. Edie, ide, ede, ede, ada, I, udu, uda, odo, oda, ada, 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 oidoi, oudou, erder, eardeer, erder, urdur, ordor, ardar, idire, hour to hour. Some of those are hard, especially when we bring those R's in. But I hope this helps, even if some of that was a little tricky. At least hopefully we can identify and isolate that particular sound, and maybe some of those trickier bits that I was even getting tongue-tied on won't happen in words, because that was a challenging exercise. That's it for me. I hope this helps for that particular version of T. And I hope that gives you an idea of how it's done and how to identify it and put it into your text or your speech. So anyways, I hope you have a good day and keep practicing. Thanks, guys.